Hey there everybody, it's Keith from Crypto Coin Mindset. I hope all is well for you today. Today is December 5th, 2018, and in this video we're going to go over some crypto market news. Well, it's been a crazy day out there in the crypto space. We've seen the market take another dump, and for the better part of the day, Bitcoin has continued to trade below the $4,000 level and is actually tested back to the old support level in the $3,600 range. As you can see, Bitcoin started out the day trading at $39.2581. Currently, it's trading at $37.75.79. And as we look at Crypto Compare, you can see exactly where the waterfall happened today and the price for Bitcoin plummeted. So as always, the question is, where are we going from here? Well, frankly, as of the recording of this video, most analysts have started joining the "we're off to the crypto abyss" camp. Their predictions still range from $3,000 all the way down to $1,000. So, as always, I will grace you with my opinion. I know you've been waiting for it. I remain in the trend is your friend camp. The overall market trend is bearish. I think we're headed further down. Honestly, I do feel, however, that we may not be going as far down as I originally had been willing to think about. Far be it from me to make a guess on what the bottom of the market's going to be, but I know, you're twisting my arm right now, so I'm going to shoot in that $2,500 range. Why? Why not? I mean, seriously though, from all my research and market analysis, this is just where I feel the market's going to land at this point. But again, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. Alrighty then, enough with my opinion. Let's look at what else has been happening in the crypto sphere. So, NASDAQ has just come out and confirmed the launch of the Bitcoin futures. A few days ago, in one of our market update videos, we told you about what we considered to be bullish news from NASDAQ regarding their partnership with VanEck and the pending Bitcoin futures. Now, we have the vice president of their communications team, Joseph Christiant, telling the British newspaper The Daily Express, quote, "Bitcoin futures will be listed, and it should launch in the first half of next year. We're just waiting for the go-ahead from the CFTC." As he continued on with his statement, it honestly caught me a little bit by surprise. Although, honestly thinking about it, I'm not really sure why it did. Anyway, he said, quote, "We got into the blockchain game 5 years ago," unquote. Now, I've been telling you that all these major players, who obviously don't want to miss out on the wealth that this new cryptocurrency and blockchain revolution is going to create, they have been creating the back-end infrastructure to make sure that they can control, or at least heavily manipulate, the entire market. They've been doing this for a while now. To be completely honest with you, I was of the mindset that, okay, they've been doing this for a couple of years at least. But 5 years was a bit shocking to me. Christianat continued on to say, quote, "We've put a hell of a lot of money and energy into delivering the ability to do this, and we've been all over it for a long time, way before the market went into turmoil, and that will not affect the timing of this in any way. No. Period. We're going to do this no matter what." Some people may take that as a bullish sentiment that there's going to be great amounts of money coming into the space. Personally, I think about it as, be careful what you wish for. I don't think this is going to have the effect that most people are hoping for on the market overall anyway. But sometimes I digress. Alrighty then, enough of that. Let's move on. Exodus partners with Changelly. We have been long-time users of the Exodus wallet. Frankly, we believe it is one of the most secure, easiest to use. I mean, they've got a great user interface. And, not to be forgotten, they have great support. So, up to now, Exodus has been using Shapeshift within their wallet to allow users to exchange their coins without having to go to an external exchange to do it. Shapeshift, not too long ago, changed the way they're doing business. And frankly, in our opinion, it wasn't a change for the better. But that's for another video. So enter Changelly. They are offering Exodus a fixed rate option for Exodus users wishing to exchange their coins without going to the external exchange. Perfect if you ask me. One final thing that I do want to highlight while we're talking about Exodus, and frankly to me, it's one of the drawbacks of Exodus, is the fact that they don't have a mobile app. A few weeks ago, though, Exodus did put out a notice to users and potential users that there is a mobile impersonator out there. So if you saw Exodus on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, know that this is not the same Exodus wallet, and it will likely compromise your mobile device. So do you use the Exodus wallet? If you do, take a minute to tell us about your experience with the Exodus wallet down in the comments below. Okay, on to the next. Now, we just talked about how the market has been plummeting and plummeting and plummeting. It seems like all you've heard over the past few weeks is how Bitcoin miners are shutting down their rigs and throwing in the towel. Well, for those miners who can afford to keep on mining, they are being rewarded. Bitcoin mining difficulty has dropped by 15.13%. This is the largest drop in mining difficulty since October 31st, 2011, when the difficulty dropped by 13.09%. The bottom line is, the most efficient miners will be able to continue to mine, secure the network, and get rewarded for doing so. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to take a quick moment to ask you to give this video a like. It definitely helps our channel. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then tick that little bell. That'll make sure that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Now, if you've been watching our videos, you know we don't put any of those silly ads on our videos. You know, the ones that you have to sit there and watch before you can see the content that people put out. However, we do have some affiliate links in our description below. I encourage you to check those out. We only put links to things that we use or invest in. And by using those links, it will help support the channel and allow us to keep putting out more great content. That being said, I hope all the investments you make are great. If you're a trader, I hope all your trades are profitable. And stay tuned for more crypto market updates. Take care.